No one in the United States is unfamiliar with the NBA, the most thrilling and captivating basketball league in the world.
What a shot! That is the scoring vortex!
With this home crowd, they dump it down low enough. That's a monster dunk, and what is this?
The NBA is where athletic excellence, competitive spirit, and high-energy entertainment collide, featuring electrifying talents like LeBron James, Jason Tatum, and Anthony Edwards. This league is the ultimate proving ground for basketball's elite, where each game is a showcase of incredible skill, intensity, and unforgettable moments that keep fans on the edge of their seats. At the center of every play, dunk, and fast break is the NBA basketball, an iconic part of the game that brings players and fans closer to the action. Known for its bright orange color, pebbled grip, and precise black seams, the NBA ball is designed to fly off fingertips with accuracy and control. Today, Captain Discovery will reveal the secret behind the making of an NBA basketball. From selecting premium full-grain leather, to carefully stamping each panel with the iconic NBA logo, to the stitching and insertion of the rubber bladder, you'll see how craftsmanship and precision come together to produce the basketballs that power America's most exciting games. Get ready to dive into the details and discover what makes this ball such a big part of the game. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery so we can keep exploring fascinating processes from around the world together. The story of the NBA basketball is a long journey. Back to 1894, when Spalding created the first basketball, made from leather and had a size of 30 inches in circumference. Over time, the leather ball was stitched together in sections with laces, making it difficult to handle but more consistent in shape and bounce. In the 1950s, Tony Hinkle, a basketball coach, collaborated with Spalding to create an orange basketball that would be more visible to players and fans alike. This iconic orange ball with black seams and a pebbled leather surface became the hallmark of the game, providing enhanced grip and control. However, in 2021, NBA announced Wilson as the new official basketball, who worked closely with NBA players to design a ball that would replicate the feel and performance of the previous Spalding leather ball, using the same full-grain leather. The Wilson basketball has since become the NBA standard, maintaining the same size and weight as previous balls, with subtle tweaks in the grip pattern to enhance player handling and consistency.
Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Rabbit now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. I can take it to.
Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about NBA basketball. Which team holds the record for the most NBA championships? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. The basketball making process begins with selecting premium full-grain leather, the essential outer material that creates durability and grip. The leather used in NBA basketballs comes from Horween Leather Company in Chicago, one of the oldest leather tanneries in the US. Once approved, the leather is cut into 6 precise panels, which will eventually form the basketball's outer shell. The uniformity of these panels is critical, as they determine the ball's balance, feel, and overall performance on the court. Each leather panel is carefully stamped with the NBA signature branding and the Wilson logo, giving the basketball its official look. This process uses heat and pressure to ensure the marks are crisp and long-lasting, embedding the logo and labels deep into the leather. With precise alignment, each stamp is placed in the exact same spot on every panel, ensuring uniformity across thousands of basketballs. This stamping not only reinforces the NBA's iconic style, but also helps players quickly identify the ball's orientation on the court.
You want to call it, Rudy Gobert had zero chance.
It's break time! Did you know in an NBA game, a single basketball covers an impressive amount of ground, traveling an estimated 2.5 miles over the course of play? This mileage may seem surprising at first, but when you break down the constant action of the game, it becomes clear how this distance is achieved. And you, do you have an NBA basketball? Share now in the comments below. The 6 leather panels are stitched together inside out to form the basketball's outer shell. Each panel is cut to a precise shape and aligned so that the ball's seams are even and smooth. Before stitching, tiny holes are punched along the edges of each panel, preparing them for a durable reinforced connection. Expert craftspeople then stitch the panels by hand, ensuring that every seam is tight and uniform. This method hides the stitching inside the ball, providing a sleek and balanced surface. Once stitched, the leather shell is carefully turned right side out, bringing the pebbled texture and seams to the surface. The rubber bladder, essential for the basketball's bounce and air retention, is carefully inserted into the leather shell. Made from high-quality rubber, this bladder is crafted to maintain air pressure and provide a consistent bounce over time. The bladder is inflated to a specific pressure and carefully positioned within the shell, and a small valve is integrated into the bladder, allowing for precise inflation adjustments. Once the bladder is in place and inflated, the basketball starts to take its final shape, with the right firmness and responsiveness for play. This internal structure, protected by the leather shell, is what gives the basketball its unique bounce, allowing it to withstand the impact of dribbling, passing, and shooting. Now the completed basketball goes through a series of quality control tests. First, each basketball is placed in a rolling machine to smooth out any imperfections on the surface, helping maintain its perfectly round shape. Next, inspectors measure the ball's weight, circumference, and diameter to confirm they fall within official NBA specifications, typically around 22 ounces in weight and 29.5 inches in circumference. The basketball is then subjected to bounce and durability tests. It's dropped from a specific height to assess its rebound, making certain that it provides consistent performance on the court. Only basketballs that successfully pass these inspections receive the final NBA stamp, marking them as game ready. Once stamped, they're packaged and shipped, prepared to hit the courts for professional play, delivering consistency, reliability, and top performance in every game.
Trouble, could have shot it, got it out. Siakam in that right corner, knocks down his next three. He's in trouble, could have shot it, got it out. Siakam in that right corner, knocks down his next three.
And now's the answer for the quiz about which team holds the record for the most NBA championships. The answer is the Boston Celtics and Los Angeles Lakers. Those two teams are tied for the most NBA championships, with each franchise holding 17 titles, marking one of the most storied rivalries in sports history. Interesting, right? It would be a mistake not to mention some of the greatest players in NBA history, individuals who have transformed the game and left an indelible legacy. Let's start with Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest of all time, known for his incredible scoring ability, clutch performances, and 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls. Jordan set a standard for excellence that players still aspire to today. Next, we have LeBron James, a dominant force and one of the most versatile players the game has ever seen. With his unique combination of size, speed, and skill, LeBron has consistently been a game changer, achieving multiple championships and MVP awards, and rewriting the record books. Finally, there's Steph Curry, whose revolutionary three-point shooting has changed the way basketball is played. Curry's range, accuracy, and ability to score from anywhere on the court have made him one of the most influential players of the modern era, inspiring a generation to embrace the three-point shot. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making NBA basketballs. If you enjoy exploring anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. See you again!